Okay, my darlings, let's go in here. We got permission to come onto this boat that you see behind me, derelict, something, something, and take whatever we wanted off of it. So I see it and I'm like, let's make it float again. But we're actually just gonna pull some stuff. And there's my lovely, handsome bride.
Let's see what's in here.
Stop it!
Jesus! Liquidators right now in Fort Pierce, and I'm told that they have everything under the sun that you can possibly need for a boat. So we're gonna go back to Little Miss, we're gonna take the owner with us, and we're gonna say, hey, we need this, we need this, we need that, and let's see if they can find it. It's like a big scratch patch in there, like a treasure chest. Let's see if they can find what we need. Let's go.
This is Ronnie, and he is from Marine Liquidators here in Fort Pierce, Florida. And this is the African.
Right, you guys, we're on Little Miss today. As you know, this was the blue-eyed girl of the fleet, 29-foot cow. We have Ronnie right here. He is from Marine Liquidators right here in Fort Pierce. It's your one-stop shop. You want to get something, I promise you will find it there. And if probably you can't find it there, they'll make sure you find it somehow.
We're a little different than most stores. We're not a retail buy sell. We go into boat builders all over the southeast and liquidate their surplus. So a lot of people think the word surplus means used. It's actually new, but somebody decided they weren't going to use it, so we buy it by the semi.
It's quite the show. Go check it out. I was like, oh my god, this is heaven for a boat. So what we've said is, Ronnie, come to the boat. Let's see what you can suggest for us for Little Miss. Let's see what we can ask you, what we can find. Maybe we go back to the store and see what we can get. So that's what we're going to do right now. He's got his pen and paper, and we're going to go through and see what else we can find. We're ferrying out everything is coming out, and then we're going to paint the whole top side. What we're looking for is 2 self-tailing winches to go there at the back, probably that size. So we want to keep those 2 for the fouling, for the furling line, and then 2 winches there. Nothing else in the cockpit really, but if we have a fold-up bimini and a dodger.
So 6 foot is your standard bimini.
Okay.
That's a 3-bow. So that would come to here. You think that'd be enough shade?
Yeah, I think that's perfect.
Okay. How high do you want it?
Well, see where the traveler is? See right there, the traveler comes into the cockpit.
Yep.
So
the boom is kind of here.
I have them 54 inches, which would be there.
We were thinking possibly we might want to try some of that flooring. That flexible stuff, because this is
stuff's incredible.
Is it?
It really is beautiful.
How do I'm just gonna have to measure it out. Is there a trim type deal that you put on it to make it
You actually, if you get a good floor covering guy, he can cut it clean enough to where you don't have to trim it. I put it in my boat, and I have hatches like everywhere. Really? And they just cut it with a straight edge, nice and clean, and I was happy with it.
Do I look like a good flooring guy to you?
You're probably overqualified.
Okay, my darlings, let's go in here. We got permission to come onto this boat that you see behind me, derelict, something, something, and take whatever we wanted off of it. So I see it and I'm like, let's make it float again. But we're actually just gonna pull some stuff. And there's my lovely, handsome bride.
I need one of these things for magic.
Oh, cool. Hardware's great.
Let's see what's in here.
Stop it!
Jesus! There's massive big rats in there. Come check here.
No.
It almost jumped in my face, I swear.
What's in there?
I thought that thing was a snake. Look at that.
There's... Oh.
I really want to open this thing and film these rats, but
Please don't.
I'm too scared. I mean, I'm not scared of a rat, but they... Fucking hot, a rottene slang. That's why I'm like looking. I thought this thing was a snake.
This is like the most romantic date ever. This is like such an adventure. I love it. This is so cool.
Wow, guys, look at this find. This looks like it's still new because it was
in a lid.
Closed.
Yeah. Cleaning supplies. Is there a Phillips in there?
Here, there's about $150, $200 worth of stuff
I
here.
feel like this is Storage Wars.
Fabulous. Look at that.
Nice. We can use it on Little Miss. Nice little tool set.
Nice little tool set. That's going to cost you 40 bucks. That's going to cost you 10 bucks. This is going to set you back 10 bucks. Okay, so right now Aubrey's taking off that panel. That's a really nice panel
is a good
there.
find.
It's a good find. I think I like that for magic even. So I think we're gonna walk out here with at least $500-600 worth of stuff. Come check how cool this is. Occupied.
That'd be great on
Or-
magic, huh?
Open. Occupied open. I love it.
I
love it.
images like that.
We're taking it. So the thing that I was thinking about now is that somebody once sat on this boat and loved it and spent so much time and money and effort on it, and now it's just rotting away. It's in a graveyard, and if we can take some small little things off this boat and sail it on our boats, and maybe somehow we can keep that person's dream alive. So that's what we love doing. We like coming to these yards and find some great things, and there's a lot of them hanging around, and just take, what are you getting there? You're getting lots of good things. I think we're done here. Let's get out of here. I'm not taking this knife. Yes. Where? Okay. And what is wrong with the boat? Oh, everything. Okay, so we're 100% positive this boat's gonna be cut up, and we can come and have a look. Okay. Thank you. All right, we'll be over there in a couple minutes. Okay, bye. So I just got off the phone with a guy that knows of a sailboat that's gonna be cut up into pieces, and they're gonna take the lead out of the boat. And he says he thinks there's some finds in the boat, so he saw some of our episodes going onto boats and getting stuff. So we're gonna go over there and see what this boat is all about, and maybe find some fun stuff. So let's go. So there she lies. Wow.
Welcome to the next Miss Lone.
No!
I love her!
No shit. You know what scares me most is that she's actually not joking. She will try and fix this thing.
Just needs to go back just a little.
I bet you $5 you won't get anything out of this boat.
I just turn it around.
$5.
I just don't know how we're gonna get into it. That's the thing.
$5?
$5.
There's nothing in this boat.
Okay.